How to verify your payment account on Etsy. If you want to ensure your account is fully set up and your payment details are correctly verified for shopping, the process is done right at checkout. In this video, I will show you how to verify your payment account on Etsy. To begin, head to the Etsy homepage and select a product you're interested in. For example, this or any item you'd like to purchase. Click on the product to open its details page. Next, scroll down until you see the Buy It Now button. Once you click it, you'll be taken to the checkout screen where you'll first confirm your shipping address. To verify your payment method, you'll need to choose how you want to pay. You can select Add a Card, use PayPal, or Google Pay, depending on your preference. If you are adding a card, carefully enter the card number, expiration date, security code, and the exact name as it appears on the card. After entering your information, click on Review Your Order. If the details you entered are correct, Etsy will automatically approve and verify the payment method on your account. Once approved, you are all set to proceed with your checkout. That's how you verify your payment account on Etsy.